We all know how we think or believe has a great impact on our success and happiness. And we think through our mind, which makes it a gateway to success. So it is very important to train our mind because it's under our control and it helps us to achieve our goals, our dreams. And if we are being able to train our mind, we'll be able to handle situations like exam pressure, any project assignment, or any critical decisions which we need to take in our life, because we'll know that what we actually want. So I, CA Priyanka Jain, through my channel The Life Baker, will share all the tips and strategies that will be needed to train our mind, to train our brain in the way we want. But before that, do like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So the first step is be clear, know what you want. Basically, you need to be very clear with your goals, with your dreams, with your aspirations. When you sit to study, your mind should know what you are going to study. There has to be clarity. Similarly, if you want to be a chartered accountant, if you want to be a company secretary or any other professional course or anything which you are going to do in your career, you have to have that goal in your mind, then small steps towards your goal. So with each step you need to be very clear कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या करना, आपको किस हिसाब से आगे बढ़ना है. If your mind is clear, if your brain knows what you want to achieve, nobody can stop you. So सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को पता होना पड़ेगा कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या करना है, आपको इस 1 घंटे में क्या पढ़ना है. So basically you have to be very specific and clear with your goals, with your set targets, and then strive towards achieving that. For that, the best method is if you write it. If you write your goals daily, if you write your dreams in your diary, and with each page, with each day passing by, you need to have set targets. One day before, you need to plan it and then, start your day. So once you are clear with your goals, the next step comes, which is practice. You need to practice consistently. Anything on which we don't work gets rusted. Similarly, if you don't work on your dreams, on your set targets, then it will just go wasted. So if you want to improve your memory, train your mind in that way. If you want to practice accounts or any practical subjects daily, start setting targets that every day 1 hour you will practice. If you want to remember more, keep on reading and reviewing and write notes, make proper notes for that. Basically, you need to be very consistent with your goals, with your set targets, and in that way, the more you will engage your brain, the more you will come near to your dreams, and the more your mind will know that you need to achieve that dream and you need to work harder for that dream. With this comes the third tip, which is do one task at a time. If you practice consistently, but you do multiple tasks together, it will make you tired. You will be mentally exhausted. So my suggestion is do one thing at a time. If you are studying, then study. Basically, don't hop between tasks, because we feel कि बहुत इफेक्टिव हो रहा है, बहुत अच्छे से काम हो रहा है, हमने बहुत सारा काम किया, but actually में वो quality work नहीं हुआ. And in that process, we feel more tired and mentally exhausted. When you do 2-3 things together, our focus is divided, our concentration is divided. कोई भी चीज़ quality वाला नहीं होता. That's what I have also experienced. But trust me, if you focus on one thing at a time, your concentration is superb, your quality is superb, efficiency and effectiveness of the work is amazing. And in this process, we train our mind to be more focused, to produce quality results, to score good marks and grades in our exam, and we know that हम जो भी चीज़ करेंगे बहुत perfectly करेंगे. Then the next step is learn to silence your mind. Maybe yoga can help, meditation can help, or being muted can help you. See, when you are quiet, when you are calm, our focus and concentration improves. We know what we want. We have that clarity in our mind कि हमें actually में क्या चाहिए when we are silent, because we think in that way. Meditation helps to relax our mind. Be it 5 minutes a day, you can start with 5 minutes, but it really improves your attention, your focus, your concentration. In that process, it will ultimately bring results, bring success in your life. And our brain will be trained in that way only. Next strategy is consume less media. Basically, half an hour a day in Instagram, Facebook, YouTube is fine. If you are working something in YouTube or any study related thing or work related thing, it's fine. But try to consume less information which is not important for you, which creates negative impacts in your life. The truth is, less is always more. The less information you take, the less you will be mentally exhausted. Too much information actually हमें थका देती है कि बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, यहाँ चल रहा है, वहाँ चल रहा है. It's better कि जो चीज़ आपके फ़ायदे की है, which is important to you, which is valuable in your life, just take that only. And in this way, your brain will always be in a relaxed mode, will only concentrate on the goals and targets which you have set. Then the next strategy is celebrate your win regularly. Whenever you have been able to achieve your targets which you have set for the day, or small steps which you have taken, which you decided and you actually could get it, execute your plan, then celebrate your win. Be proud of yourself. Say thank you to yourself कि yes, you could do it. If you start celebrating that, your mind will know that if I achieve that dream, that will be a big celebration. In this way, you will train your mind and brain that yes, you need to work hard. You need to complete what you have decided for that day, for that month, for that week, whatsoever. So in that way, you will know that you need to complete whatever task you have decided in that week, in that month, in that year, because you need to reach closer to your goal. So if you celebrate it, your mind will know that yes, there will be a big celebration when you will achieve your big dream, your final destination. The next step is to reverse engineering. Basically, you need to learn something which is very new, like what is your set target, and वहाँ से रिवर्स चालू करो कि आपको कैसे वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. सपोज़ योर एग्ज़ाम इज़ इन जून, सो आपके पास कितना टाइम है रिवीजन करने के लिए. अच्छा 3 मंथ्स मेरे को चाहिए रिवीजन करने के लिए, उसके बाद हमारे पास कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है. तो व्हेन यू गो बैकवर्ड्स कि हमारे पास कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है, हाउ मच टाइम इज़ लेफ्ट, एंड नाउ इन दिस मच ऑफ टाइम आई नीड टू कंप्लीट माई एंटायर कोर्स. अच्छा 2 मंथ्स में हमें ये सब्जेक्ट्स करने हैं. देन मंथली प्लान्स, देन वीकली प्लान्स, देन डेली प्लान्स. सो रिवर्स अगर आप चलोगे ना, योर माइंड योर ब्रेन विल नो कि आपको क्या अचीव करना है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेस टू अचीव दैट ड्रीम, एंड रिवर्स वे में आपके पास कितना टाइम बचा हुआ है, एंड यू नीड टू एक्चुअली कंप्लीट योर टास्क इन दैट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. एंड देन प्लान अकॉर्डिंगली. आपको कैसे करना है, कहाँ से करना है, इस मंथ में आपको कितना कंप्लीट करना है, इस वीक में आपको कितना कंप्लीट करना है, हाउ यू विल कंप्लीट योर कोर्स, हाउ यू विल अचीव दैट ड्रीम which is the final destination. So reverse way में अगर आप चलोगे तो आपका ब्रेन को ऑलरेडी पता है कि आपको क्या अचीव करना है, एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ अचीविंग इट फ्रॉम द वेरी स्क्रैच योर ब्रेन विल बी ट्रेंड, योर माइंड विल बी ट्रेंड कि अच्छा इफ़ आई डू दिस आई विल गेट दैट. ओके, सो दिस वे you train your mind कि अच्छा what is my final destination, what is my goal. Then the next step is use your memory more. Basically use your mind more. Try to remember things by yourself. Remember the times when we used to remember phone numbers, addresses and everything in our mind only. We didn't have phone that time. We didn't have to write everything in notes. But now everything is so accessible that we have forgotten to memorize anything. So try to practice that. Try to remember phone numbers, try to remember your to-do list, check whether everything is done or not. So in this way, you will prepare your brain to remember more, to memorize more, and it will help you with your studies, with your work. So आपको practice करना है अपने brain के साथ, अपने mind के साथ. So use your memory more, try to engage your memory more so that it improves in daily basis. Then the next step is be positive. You know, whatever we feel, whatever we believe actually happens. तो अगर हम negative thoughts लेके आएंगे कि हम पास नहीं होंगे, ये काम नहीं चलेगा, ये plan नहीं work होगा, तो that will actually happen. That will actually not work. So we have to be very positive with our thoughts, with our actions, with our to-do list, with our task, with our steps which we are taking to achieve our dream. When we are positive, our brain and mind starts thinking that yes, this is the process, this will work, this will actually help me to achieve my dream. तो आपको negative नहीं सोचना है. So how to negate that? So जब भी negative feelings आए, consciously try to turn it into positive. When you feel that you will not pass, then start thinking that yes, I'll definitely pass. I'm working hard. I'll work hard more. I'll study more properly in a disciplined way. So उसको immediately convert करना है into positive. Basically, we have to be very, very self-aware कि yes, this is going to happen. This plan will work. This task will work to achieve my dream. अगर आपको खुद ही पे बिलीव नहीं होगा तो फिर वो कभी भी नहीं हो पाएगा. तो आपको पॉजिटिव रहना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो if you are positive, your brain will start thinking that yes, you are going to achieve your dreams. देखो, negative thoughts are like gravity. They will always hold you down, push you down. उसी समय you have to put conscious efforts, okay, to negate that negative feelings and start thinking positive immediately and take actions which will help you to achieve your dreams. Then the next tip, which is very important, a concept which I truly believe, and I have been practicing this since years. Yes, we fail at times, we feel nothing is going our way, but actually that is the time we need to buck up again and start creating our own life in the way we want. तो वो होगा if you create and imagine, visualize basically. Basically it is the act of seeing something which is invisible to everyone, but you can see it, you can feel it, you can actually imagine achieving that dream of yours. The more detailed you visualize, the more you will be near to your dreams and your goals. And this act of visualization, I learned it from this book, The Secret, and this was like a magic. Until date, I've been using this book whenever I feel down. There are times when we feel कि नहीं हो पाएगा, we are feeling nothing is going our way, and that time I pick up this book and start again visualizing what I actually want in my life. The more you imagine it, the more you feel it, the more real it looks, and you actually get closer to your dreams and your aspirations. So daily practice of visualization can help you accelerate your goals, can help you to reach your goals, can help you with the actions which you need to take to achieve your goals. So हर एक step which you are deciding to do to achieve your goals, वो अगर आप visualize करोगे ना, तो आपको और energy मिलेगा कि yes, मुझे ये सारा करना है, because you need to achieve that dream. And this technique actually works. That's why I made a video on digital vision board, so that students can look at their vision board and see what are their dreams, what are their goals, if they have forgotten it, and then again get that energy to work towards it. Basically, visualization helps our brain, our mind, to know that this is something I need, this is something I want to achieve. Your brain is trained in that way कि हमें ये achieve करना है, इसलिए हमें इसके पीछे भागना है, इसलिए हमें इसके पीछे जो भी काम करना है वो करते रहना है. In this way you train it for that. Then the last strategy is practice gratitude every day. If you practice gratitude, you will be more closer to your dreams, your goals. You need to practice gratitude with all the things which you have received in your past, in your present which you are receiving, as well as in your future which you want to achieve. तो हमें अभी से practice कर लो, अभी से आप thank you बोल दो for everything which you want in future also, because your brain will know that yes, this is my dream, and I'm already very thankful to the universe that yes, thank you for letting me achieve my dream of becoming a chartered accountant, of becoming a lawyer, of becoming anything which you want, which you desire. तो हमें ऑलरेडी अपने ब्रेन को, अपने माइंड को बताना है कि येस, यू आर ऑलरेडी थैंकफुल फॉर द थिंग्स विच यू वांट इन योर फ्यूचर, जैसे कि आपको एक्चुअली में अभी मिल गया है. And this practice of gratitude I learned from these two books, The Power and the Magic. These two are brilliant books, and both the books really helps us to be so thankful to our life, to all the things which we are doing and to all the things which we are going to do, and helps us get closer to our dreams and our desires. So guys, that's all. These are the tips and strategies which will help you to train your mind, your brain to achieve your career dreams, your goals, your aspirations. And I'm sure if you practice it daily, one by one, slowly, gradually, I'm sure you'll achieve whatever you want in your life. So if you feel that this video was useful to you, do share it with your friends so that they can also take the benefit of it. Do like my video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for sharing. Thank you so much.